I'm back with another review of Transformers Animated Deluxe Class Cybertron Mode Ratchet. Very nice. He's got the 4 treads things, and he's got the emergency symbol. He's got the lights, white cover. Very nice. Transform him, take these back pieces off. Fold down the legs. Flip the feet forward. Pull this out, front piece out. Then flip that forward. Push these pieces in, and they should tab in there, and flip that down. And for the arms, you lift them out. Out. Hold it down. Connect the red. Put the red pieces in there. Red pieces go in there. Then you flip these up. Flip these up. And pull his head up. And there's Ratchet in his robot mode. Very nice, very cartoon accurate. Nothing much to say about him. Got the nice head mold with the 2 spikes instead of the 1 and the 1.5. He does not have a belly or a gut, a beer belly. I don't know what I want to call it. He's got the symbol still right there. And then for a quick size comparison, wow, where is he? Here he is with Earth Mode Ratchet, which he's a little taller than he is, and he's got that beer. Wow, I can't even talk. Beer belly, and he's got the not abs, but muscly stomach, I guess. So yeah, they're pretty good toys. Does portray him well. And then for his features, he's in his left arm, he's got this punching gimmick by this white tab right here. The other side doesn't do jack, except the arm rotates and the EMP thing. And the shock pads. This one has a broken stick thing here when I first opened it, so I'm not going to use that. But I'll just put this one on his arm. Oh, where'd it go? Okay, hold on a second, guys. There we go. Now he's got shock pads, and now you can go boom, or bring someone back to life, boom, or something. Oh yeah, and speaking of the EMP, forgot to show this off in Deluxe Ratchet. It does work, or it does fit. You know what? It should work. Plug in. It's just used to stay on, but I don't know what the crap's going on. Work, darn it. Plug in there. Oh well. Let's see if it works with Deluxe Ratchet. Oh yeah, fits on him perfect, but for Cybertron Ratchet, excuse me, won't work. That way, who cares? It doesn't matter. It's the original Ratchet. So, there he is, guys. Subscribe.